In this video we want to talk about adding headers and footers to a slide and also your print options. If I want to add a header or a footer, we have to go to the Insert tab. And over here on the right you can see under the text group we have headers and footers. If I click on headers and footers, you can see it brings up a dialog box. For the slide itself, we can only put a footer on here, and our choices are to add the date and time, or down here if you actually want some text you can click in the box right here where it says footer, and then you can type in whatever you want. If you go to Notes and Handouts tab, here you can add information to the header or the footer. These typically are printed out for either the audience or the presenter. So we often see in some of our classes where your instructor will give you different types of handouts. So headers and footers can be applied right here. If I want to print, I go to the File tab, and notice there's a print option, of course. But if you just hit the print shortcut button, what's going to happen is it's going to print one slide per page, which is often what we don't want. If you look in this window, you have some choices here. One, you could print a range of slides. So if you only needed to print the title slide, you just type a number 1 in here where it says slides. Down below where it says full page slides, there's a drop down arrow, and this is where you get all your different choices to print in PowerPoint. So notes page again would typically go to the presenter. If you needed an outline of your presentation, it's right here. If I wanted 1 slide or 2 slides per page, you can see those options. And the one option that a lot of us get when we're sitting in a class is the 3 slides option, where it shows a slide in miniature on the left and it gives us lines to write on the right side of the paper. If we were in outline view, for example, or notes page view, and we hit the print button, it would not print that view by default. So right now if I have the outline open and I went to go print, it doesn't automatically print this view. You have to go to File and you have to choose the appropriate print option.